Man, you still smoking that?
Yeah, man. Why you got a problem with it?
I thought you quit already.
Never, man.
Let me see that.
Oh man, what?
It's been years and years you've been smoking till now. You really gotta stop, you gotta quit somehow. Even though people say it'll be okay, you're shortening your life every single day. You say you trying and you think you're gonna die. No, 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 you still can't survive. It's worthy quitting nowadays, I can't lie. So don't ask me now, don't ask me why.
Oh, if I really do quit, what am I to do? Smoking is the only thing that help me through. When I'm feeling bad, feeling sad, it makes me glad. I tried quitting once, but it's just getting mad. When I'm trying just to quit, there's obstacles that just make me slip. And sometimes I just can't resist the power and flame of a cigarette. The fact is I don't have this to do. Smoking does help me go through. The choice is mine, it's not up to you. It's the better things for me to do.
When you're trying to quit and you just can't resist, you just wanna take a light and light another cigarette. You may think it's cool and it's meant for you. To tell you the truth, smoking is bad news.
Oh yes, it's true, it may be hard to let go,
But there are many other ways and I think you should know. Instead of smoking on the bud, why don't you go have fun? Read a book or fish, chew on a gum.
when you're trying just to quit, there's obstacles that can make you slip. And sometimes you just can't resist the power and fame of a cigarette. The fact is you have better things to do. Smoking is not one of them too. The choice is yours and it's up to you. There's better things for you to do.
If it's hard for you, try something new, like hanging with your friends or some other crew that won't force you to smoke it, they'll beat you instead, telling you that smoking doesn't relieve your stress.
Or to stay away from the places they say
Where smoking never stops, it goes on every day. Like at the soccer bars, try to stay really far or from people that think smoking's everything.
when you're trying just to quit, there's obstacles that can make you slip. Sometimes you just can't resist the power and fame of a cigarette. The fact is you have better things to do. Smoking is not one of them too. The choice is yours and it's up to you. There's better things for you to do. For you to do. There's a better thing. Yeah. There's a better things for you to do. When you're trying just to quit, there's obstacles that can make you slip. And sometimes you just